Shabby chic decor became popular several years ago, and now it's only getting more and more popular because it has special charm and chic. It's budget-friendly because thanks to you can restore some of your grandma's things or flea market finds and use them again. 1. Shabby chic kitchens. Create your own shabby chic kitchen furniture, use pastel colors, and your kitchen would look amazing. 2. Shabby chic bedrooms. Besides aged beds, headboards and wardrobes, it's a great idea to add some ruffled bedding, bedspreads and curtains to create an atmosphere in a bedroom. 3. Shabby chic bathroom. Vintage bathtubs and wash basins, exquisite ruffled curtains, stunning aged mirrors and distressed cabinets will make a base of your shabby chic bathroom looks amazing. 4. Shabby chic living rooms. Whitewashed walls could be a tender base for your shabby chic living space. Although adding old doors, used shutters and simply aged clocks would work well in living rooms too. 5. Shabby chic kids rooms. Pink, blush, gray, white, pastels combined with ruffles and floral patterns will become a breathtaking base for such a shabby chic kids room or a nursery. 6. Shabby chic hallways. Vintage furniture looks great in hallways, so don't hesitate to use it there. Whitewashing walls or covering them with reclaimed wood planks is also a great idea. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.